मायोटोम सीरीज के लास्ट पार्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी मायोटोम्स अलॉन्ग विथ फनी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग निमोनिक्स। लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी मायोटोम्स पढ़ने से पहले आई हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू वॉच आउट द पार्ट 1 in which I have talked about the basic introduction of what are the myotomes, and part 2 in which I have discussed about the upper extremity myotomes with funny and interesting mnemonics. So it will be easier for you to grasp and understand the lower extremity myotomes. अगर बेसिक ओवरव्यू की बात करें लोअर लिम्ब मायोटोम्स के बारे में, सो L1 एंड L2 इज फॉर हिप फ्लेक्शन, L3 नी एक्सटेंशन, L4 एंकल डोर्सिफ्लेक्शन, L5 ग्रेट टो एक्सटेंशन, S1 ankle plantar flexion, and S2 knee flexion. Now to learn these myotomes we have very funny and interesting mnemonics. Let's check it out. So first we have nerve root levels और उन nerve root level के specific movements है that are myotomes. तो यहाँ पर है हमारे mnemonic. इस mnemonic को हमको rhyme करना है with the nerve root level to remember the myotomes. So let's get started. First is L1, L2. Lift up the shoe. So for lifting up the shoe, you have to flex your hip. So it is hip flexion. Next is L3 extends the knee. So by mnemonic itself, it is knee extension. Next is L4 close the door. So for closing the door, you have to dorsiflex the ankle. So dorsiflexion. L5 great toe divide. By name, it's clear that there is extension of the great toe or great toe extension. S1 lift the tongue. Will raise while lifting the tongue. So it is plantar flexion. And S2 knee comes back to you. So knee is coming back towards you. That is flexion of the knee. So knee flexion. So here is the snapshot of the lower limb myotomes with the mnemonics. That is L1, L2 lift up the shoe. L3 extends the knee. L4 close the door. L5 great toe divides. S1 lift the tongue. S2 knee comes back to you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such amazing content. Thanks.